Okay, so season your pork chops and let them marinate for a while with the seasonings you like. I like Dano's Yo Mama and regular pepper. I didn't even salt it. I threw a little W sauce on it also. And steaming my carrots. Simmer in bacon grease, actually at a high heat. Ooh, watch, you don't burn yourself. High heat just to brown them, a couple minutes on each side. Flip them a couple minutes and then set them aside in a heated pan. I heated this one up and then shut the heat off just so it wasn't cold. Do this with all the pork chops, a few at a time, don't overcrowd. And then just set them all aside. Yum. Too bad you can't smell it. And then if you want ahead of time, you can chop up onion, have your garlic ready. Mushrooms. I got the large mushrooms, so I cut them up into big chunks. So there's the mushrooms, I got those nice ones, and there's the onion. There's my garlic, I got this. It's already chopped up and really tasty. I turned the pan down to a low heat until I got the mushrooms in there, and then they will sweat out the liquid as you saute them. I turn it up a little bit until it starts sauteing, then I back it off a little bit. Then the onions go next. In the meantime, I'm steaming whole large carrots I chunked up into a couple inch long pieces. There's my onion. Oh, I never wash the mushrooms either because they get soggy, wet. I just deal with if there's any dirt on there, you can have a damp paper towel and just wipe them off, but I don't usually worry about it unless they're really dirty. Really won't hurt you. I only used a half an onion just because I got lazy. Then throw some garlic in there. If I had two hands, I would have been able to do it with the knife. Just grab a big couple hunks out of there, but trying to just film with my camera with one hand and hook with the other. So I just poured it in, and you can never overdo it. Actually, I nearly did more than that. Good enough. Stir everything around, and then I make a little bit of a thickening roux or whatever. I forgot I actually pre-made a whole bunch of roux, and I freeze it, and I usually just spoon out a bunch, but you can do it like this too. Flour, water. I think it was a little thick, so I had to add more water. And then you pour it over what you're sauteing, and it'll soak up the grease, and just mix it around really well so that there's no flour or sugar. It should all be absorbed in with the bacon grease or whatever was in there, butter. stir it around. Make sure there's no flour sticking to it. Usually I do more than that too. I ended up having to add more to the liquid later. Here's the roux. I pre-make a whole bunch of it and then I freeze it. I didn't use it this time, but I will. In the future, I'll use that more often. And if you guys ever like to freeze peppers or have hot peppers handy, you can freeze them whole like that and then use them to cook. I do that all the time. Whenever I get a good deal on them. Remember, keep stirring it. There's my carrots steaming. After they're done, I will add butter and some honey. Mix them around a little bit. Alright, now you get your favorite stock, whether you like chicken stock or beef stock, whatever. I like chicken stock. And depending on how much gravy you want to have, just pour it in. I ended up using the whole box because I like a lot of gravy. We like mashed potatoes, and that way we have gravy to put over everything. Then you bring it up to a boil and then back it off and then stir it, keep stirring it, and then it'll thicken on its own, depending if you put enough of that roux in there. If not, then you can make your slurry again, your flour and water, and then kind of pour it in slowly and mix it until it gets thick. And you just do it real slow. After it comes to the boil, you turn it down. The longer you do it, and then taste it, and if it needs any other spices you can add. Mine didn't need anything because I had quite a bit of spices on the meat. Keep stirring it. Bring it to a simmer, a high simmer, and then back it off. Ultimately, you should be doing this in a bigger pan with higher sides, but I don't have one at this time. That'll be next on the list. Deep dish pan, much easier. Check my carrots. Adjust the heat as needed on the gravy. Taste it. Let it cool first before you taste it in that spoon. Starting to get thicker. Then you add the chops that are not fully cooked, they just were browned. And that way they can soak and simmer in there until it gets thick and starts falling apart. And they are excellent this way. If you brown them and overcook them, they will be tough. You won't get salmonella. I promise. If you cook them until they start falling apart, all underneath the gravy. Then I just spoon the gravy over top. Oh, and then the juices that they left behind in that pan while they were sitting, I always use that. Clean up a little bit. While it's wet, it's easier. Move it over top. Ooh, my mouth is starting to water just watching this video. And by the way, it did turn out great. Scrumptious. Mashed potatoes with butter, carrots with butter and honey, and pork chops with mushroom onion gravy. Nom nom. Delicious. Oh yeah, my homemade potatoes. Here they come. Ha ha ha. Here is the finished product. Nom nom.